Today I'm going to show you how to add a pop of colour to instantly lift and brighten the face in under 5 minutes. I'm calling it the Pop and Pout. To do this, it's all about a bright cheek and a bright lip colour. So I'm going to be using a Pot Rouge and our Luxe lip colour. To prep, I'm going to be going in with lip balm, which I love to use just underneath any lip colour to really hydrate the lips and prime the lip, ready for lipstick. Nothing brightens the skin like a pop of colour, so I'm going to be going in with the Pot Rouge in pale pink and applying with the full coverage brush, just pressing on the apples of the cheek to give you that nice high application that instantly lifts the face. And because this is a slightly more bluer undertone pink, it will give you that added brightness and lift that doesn't look too dull on the skin. My top tip to apply is apply with a brush and then with your fingers just pressing around the edge of the blush application to give you that really smooth, seamless blend. It's also perfect to just press in with your finger onto the lip for a really gorgeous soft wash of colour. Whether you like a bold or a nude lip colour, it's all about the formula. So I'm using the Luxe lip colour, which is a beautiful moisturising and hydrating formula for all day wear. For a light amount of coverage, just by blotting the lip colour in and pressing it in with your lip colour, you get a really wearable stain. Then if you're after something a little more coverage and bolder, just by applying it straight from the applicator, you get that really seamless coverage that you can wear all day long.